I went through the 6 days emotional mastery 4 workshop with Pavan sir, and it's been a phenomenal week for me, especially with my profession, where we face a lot of challenges with various kinds of patients and even personally. I had before starting with the workshop, I had some personal issues which got definitely resolved um, day by day. All the techniques that Pavan sir taught us every day were very phenomenal for different areas of our life, um, to break the patterns of thoughts which uh, produce certain kind of emotions. They helped with a great deal. So it was an amazing transformation so far, and i I being a doctor, we think very practically that there are medicines for each and every illnesses and disturbances, but there are some things beyond medicine, and that's what Pavan sir has proved to me personally, that he's the best person to approach when you have things out of control which you're not able to manage with medications or with other kinds of yoga and other kinds of alternative healings. And the way Pavan sir has guided me and the others in the group personally for the 5 days was amazing. He took he has given personal attention to each of us, listened, and he has gone beyond his limits, beyond his timings, to make sure that we followed the technique properly and we understood the techniques, and adapt it to change our emotions, change the way we think, and go forward. I had got this neuro-linguistic programming done from different professionals as well, but it was, I to be honest, it was not this effective. So I definitely would love to work with Pavan sir in the future, and I recommend each and every one of you who are looking for any kind of solutions or any kind of remedy, please approach Pavan sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.